Hello everybody, and today I'm going to show you how to add an effect to any one of your videos using InShot Pro and record it. All you have to do is cut record it on after downloading it. Open YouTube and go to anything that you want to effect to put inside of there. Press play and let the screen record it. Once you get done recording, go back to the screen record app and cut it off. Once you cut it off, you get to my recordings and you can save. Once you save it, you can add it. Then you click on music and you go to extract the file. After you extract the file, you should trim it to fit your needs and it should sound like this.
I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. Fuck you.
And after going through all the steps, last step is to subscribe to my channel.